Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got another package in the mail today. This one I'm pretty excited about. I haven't bought something like this in quite a while. I did already tear open the edges on it, got the invoice out of there, just to help speed the process along. Didn't need to see me trying to open it up with my dull scissors or my dull knife. But, yeah, pretty excited. You know, precious metals have been, skyrocketing, bouncing a little bit back down recently, but still, who would have thought, huh? So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so here we go. Let's see what's inside. Digging down in there. Oh, I feel it. There it is. What is it? Oh, it looks like it's gold in color. Always fun to buy this. Let me get out of the package. I don't like the reflectiveness of those flips. There we go, folks. Look at that. What do we have here? See if I can zoom in a little more. Yeah, there we go. We have a 2020 American Gold Eagle. Let me hold it with this finger. I don't have a band-aid on this one. Look at that. Look at how beautiful she is. Wow. Flip her over. Now, as we know, this is the last year for this design on the back of this beautiful coin. You can see it says 1/4 ounce, fine gold. It's a $10 coin, $10 face. Nobody'd ever spend it for $10 though. Yeah, look at that, huh? She beautiful or what? Alright, let's put it down. Zoom in a little bit more. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. So, I bought this from SD Bullion. Most of you know SD Bullion's a pretty good company. I've bought from them several times over the years and never had a problem with them like I have some of the other online bullion dealers. SD Bullion's treated me pretty well over the years. And so I figured I'd go out and pick up a, 1/4 ounce. Like I said, we hadn't bought some in a while. And with gold going up all crazy and everything, there's a chance it's going to go down. And it has bumped up there pretty good. And then today dropped down a little bit. But still, a good investment at this point. I don't really buy gold or silver technically as investments. We plan to hold on to them for a long time, but it's nice when they work themselves out to make you some money. So let's just flip it over real quick. Take a look at the eagles on the back. This isn't as sharp as it could be. I'm zoomed in so far. And the color seems a little washed out. Oh, I think I've got a filter on here. Let me see if I can look at that real quick. Alright, so let's flip it back over again. Always been a great design for the American Gold Eagle. So yeah, again, picked it up from SD Bullion 2020, last year with this design. I don't think it's going to be one of the great coins to collect because the back of the coin is changing. What may happen is because of 2020 and the, political stuff going on and the virus stuff going on, there could be a shortage of coins because of that. Silver Heist has been doing some great videos on gold, and he's been talking about how the 1/10 ounce has not been made for a while. And so, those could end up to be shortages, which could make them a little bit more valuable. And also just 2020 by itself has been just such a strange year for so many different things. So that may make it worth something. I just don't think it's really going to be because the design changed personally, but it could be. Surprisingly, when I bought this, gold was over $1,800. Don't really want to be, buying gold that high, but on the other hand, it's like I hadn't bought any in a while. The last gold we've gotten, we did some trades on, which are looking pretty darn good at this point. But when we bought this gold, spot was at $18.25. So yeah, that wasn't that long ago. I mean, I ordered it with, electronic payment, electronic checking, so I got it for the cheapest price, but they put a hold on it for a few days, and then Takes a few more days to ship, so I bought it about a week and a half ago. And like I said, at the time, the spot on gold was $18.25. Well, today, the day that I get it in the mail, the spot on gold is $19.67. So if we get our little calculator, could have done it in my head, but a little safer on the calculator, that's a $142 difference. So spot has gone up $142 in the week and a half since I bought this. Pretty cool, huh? Now, as we know, gold has gone up even higher. I think 2 days ago it was $1,980. So that would have been, what, over $150. But it's kind of settled back down. Both gold and silver have settled back down. Silver's lost about $3 in the last couple of days as well, which doesn't really surprise anybody. We knew there'd be a little bit of a pullback and things would settle down, and who knows if it's not going to settle down a little bit more still, because it jumped up there really high, really fast. But on the other hand, it's looking to be like it might have been a good time to buy some gold. I mean, could probably get spot for this at a coin shop. I don't know what they'd be paying right now. They're probably a little reluctant to buy a whole lot with how prices have gone so high. They don't want to buy a bunch high and then have a drop on them. So it would be interesting to see what the coin shops are willing to pay right now. But clearly have made really good money off this in a short period of time. But as you know, I'm a stacker. I do not like selling it once I get it. And recently have sold a little bit, but that's not our intent at all. We plan to hold and hold long term. And I have sold off a little bit of silver, but one thing that happens with me is once I get my hands on some gold, I do not like to let it go. It goes into storage far, far away to be safe for use on a rainy day someday. So I thought you would enjoy it. Thought you'd enjoy seeing this beautiful new 1/4 ounce gold coin, American Gold Eagle, and would enjoy the little bit of the story about spot going up so quickly on it. But I'm sure you other stackers have enjoyed the same experience, if you bought any anyway. And if you haven't, all your stuff you bought a few months ago and a few years ago is obviously very well priced at this point. So a lot of our stuff we picked up a couple years ago, so we're doing fine. But even though, we could make a decent profit off it, we're not interested in selling it because we're in it for the long haul. We'll see what happens. All right, thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.